Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, your go-to place this coming winter for everything you need to make sure that your home or business is in tip-top shape with the snow and ice removal. They've got rock salt. They're Long Island's largest rock salt source. All the snow melt products out there, the good ones like Mag, Ice Pellets, and Flakes and Pelledo. And of course, if you need a new snowblower or if you need the supplies to get you through, just in case, for example, you'll use power, you get yourself a generator, whatever it is, the lowest prices anywhere. 631-756-1125, the phone number. The website is omnitruevalue.com. So, we are seeing the winds picking up now in many locations. Checking on some of the observations, we noticed that, for example, in and around New York City, we're seeing some wind gusts well past 40 miles an hour. The winds are picking up as well on Long Island. Way from the New Jersey coast, the winds have been kind of manageable in terms of the gusts. I think the strongest winds are basically going to be from New York City east and northeast and north. There'll be less as we go, and there has been less as we go to the south and west. Now, on the satellite loop, everything is moving along. So that is good news. This is basically, at the end of the day, it's a 6-hour-ish event that's already started. As of 2:20 Eastern Time, you can see the radar echoes are moving along. With some steady rains in some places, lighter than others. There's some heavier rain going on in upstate New York along I-81 from Binghamton to Syracuse, and those are moving to the northeast. And we can already see that the back edge is in central Pennsylvania. So I think this is pretty much going to be out of here this evening. If you want to just use it in terms of an end time, we can probably say fairly safely that the back edge of the rain will probably reach New York City and just to the east of New Jersey by about 6 or 7 o'clock, and it should be out into southeastern New England sometime around 8 or 9 o'clock this evening or a little bit after that. So with everything moving along, this is not going to be some kind of prolonged wind event. There will be some gusts in some places to 40 to 50 miles an hour. Now, as far as rainfall is concerned, as we move forward, now this is you can see for tonight at 7 o'clock tonight. WPC already has the rain ending west of New York City and in the Hudson Valley. Still some leftover rain over Long Island, and then it picks up a little bit more as you get into southeastern New England. There are a couple of other weather events to look at in the longer term, and that will bring some more precipitation here. Perhaps on the order of a half to 3/4 of inch or more as you go from northern New Jersey east to southern New England. Then there's a bit of a gap from there back to the Appalachians, and then it picks up again when you look at areas down in the Tennessee Valley and in the southern Appalachians down into northern Georgia and northern Alabama, where several inches of liquid precipitation, it's going to be rain, is being indicated. So here's our front for late this afternoon and this evening. It moves on by. The winds are going to shift to the northwest. It's still going to be on the windy side overnight into Thursday. It'll be chilly on Thursday, low to mid 40s for the highs. A cold night Thursday night, middle 40s for highs on Friday, which looks like a nice day in eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England. And then here comes the next cold front for Saturday, which will bring some showers. That'll move on through. And then another shot of cold air comes in for Sunday, only to give way to the next weather system with perhaps maybe a shower or two Monday afternoon. And then longer range, the models are kind of dealing with this blocking pattern where it brings cold air down from Canada, from central Canada, and spreads it into eastern Canada. And some of that cold air does bleed southward into the first part of the week beginning Monday, December the 5th. And it might lead to a wave approaching here sometime around the middle part of that week. Of next week. We'll have to wait and see in terms of how this all evolves and how strong the block is. Maybe it might mean for a little bit of frozen or freezing precipitation at the start, but that's still a long ways away yet. So we'll deal with that when the time comes, and it will come soon enough. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. 631-756-1125, the phone number for the best prices anywhere. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. So let's get this going here and get this weather front out of the way so that we could see improving weather conditions tonight. The Joe and Joe Weather Show is at 7:35 Eastern Time, and we hope to see you then.